exciting renovations to Samford's Beeson University Center are well underway, with plans to unveil the new space in early 2019. Planning began in the fall of 2017 and included on design ideas Samford Interior Architecture students with just one prompt.
Just dream up a university center and disguise its limits, and they gave us no parameters, and now it's coming to life, and it's just really cool to see.
It feels really empowering, honestly, that we can actually be able to do this and we can see our work come to life. I think that's really a rewarding part of what we do.
I felt really honored because we do have a great interior design program here at Samford University, and for them to come to us and acknowledge that we do great work and want our input is amazing. So I'm so pleased.
These students hope their insights and designs to this multi-million-dollar project make this reimagined space the place to be on campus.
I think that we really want it to be somewhere that people don't just leave and go. That's somewhere that people actually want to hang out in and be there. And it's a really hot spot on campus. And I think that now seeing all of this, I think it really will be.
I really want everyone to collaborate here and to want to be in this space more than like 5 minutes. And so this is what the University Center is for, and I want people to just mingle and relax.
And looking at the renderings, I think they've hit the mark.